Find someone to model, to emulate. Get a role model you can look to when you're not sure what to do. We are going to talk about this a little bit, and then I'm going to tell you the very best person to model. Stick around. Okay, the first step is to actually figure out who you are even trying to be. What you're even trying to work on, okay? And you should always be working on something. Constant improvement. Kaizen. Do you want to stop reacting to people who push your buttons? Do you want to be more respectful, kind, courteous? Do you want to be more reasonable, more fit, more in shape? Do you want to eat healthier, etc., etc., etc.? Hell, maybe you even want to have a different style. Like you want to change your look. That's cool too. It doesn't matter what you're looking to change. When you know what you want, first step,
Know what you want.
you can find someone who's like that, okay? To use as a blueprint for whatever it is. A model, a role model, someone that can help you keep your bearings like a compass. That's it. As you're learning to do this new thing. For example, a guy who doesn't want to take shit from people anymore might model someone like Clint Eastwood. Then, as they go about their day, they can think, how would he respond to this? Would he flip out? Probably not. Would he even react? Probably not. The What Would Jesus Do bracelets attempted this. Same exact thing. What would Jesus do? What would Jesus do? I really don't know how good that worked. A lot of people didn't seem to give a shit. But whatever. Maybe you like somebody's personal style. You can emulate it. I used to want more confidence. I love how cocky Tyler Durden is. So I used that. And right now, I'm big on Mr. Rogers and the Dalai Lama. How would they respond to people? Something that I recommend is to find someone to emulate. It really helps. That's why they're called role models. You're not trying to become this other person. You're just taking little parts that you like to develop in yourself. Things that you can look at and go, that's something I want to work on. Last thing though, and this is the most important, most secretest weapon. If you know the type of person that you want to be, if you could be ideal, the ideal version of you, how you look, sound, act, think, you can use yourself as the role model to emulate. I call this your inner badass. If you keep this inner badass in your awareness, then you can just ask, what would my future me do in this situation? How would he react? Would he skip this workout or would he do it? What would he say? How would he respond? Would he complain about this thing? Literally work out an ideal version of yourself that you aspire to be. Maybe you're the best guitar player of all time in this version. It doesn't matter who you create. It doesn't matter what traits you're looking to do. It'll probably be an amalgamation, a mixture of all sorts of other role models. That's good. You don't want to just model one person. Take a little piece from these people. I'll take the confidence of Tyler Durden, sir. I'll take the style of Johnny Depp, baby. The discipline of David Goggins. I'll take the empathy of Mr. Rogers. Put it all together. That's your inner badass. Then start thinking, what would my inner badass do? And then start doing that. That's it. The more you do how your inner badass would do, the faster you become that version of yourself. That's the secret to becoming your ideal version. Work out who it is and just do that thing. Do the things that person would do. If you're the best guitar player of all time, what would that person do? What does my future self do to become the best guitar player of all time? I should probably practice right now. I should probably watch some YouTube videos. I should probably learn some tricks. I should probably learn a couple of songs. For reals. Now, like and share this video, tag someone who needs it, and subscribe to me on YouTube so I can quit my job at Planet Fitness, please. Go to the link, download the free Android app today.